Cartoon Network is. Ooh, hey, pretty mama.
Johnny! Oh, Cartoon Network's got this thing, right? It's called Cartoon Fridays, and we're on it. Hurry up! Okay! These are our shows. All your favorite cartoons back to back with a new episode every Friday. They're on Fridays at 7 over on Cartoon Network. You might like to switch over there now.
Somebody's coming!
We'll see you over there.
Hey!
Oh, dear.
He was waiting for you. It's me, Buzzy Snail. It's time, and she's going to get you.
Looking for something, miss?
Yeah! Honeycomb! Post honeycomb cereal as part of this nutritious breakfast. Where will you be when the craving strikes?